The goal of an interior designer is to improve the user experience by better managing the space available in the intervened environment. It is a way to transform the lives of people who live or enjoy a certain space, improving their quality of life in this through design and decor. Interior design is much more than getting the decor right. It is a process that provides its customers with a set of aesthetically pleasing but efficient solutions for a better use of the space. It is to improve the user experience by better managing the space available. Starting with the main door, leading to an interior with a creative flavor and taste which reflects your personality. A TV console is the perfect way to enrich your entertainment experience. A TV cabinet, which gives ample storage for media essentials along with stunning home library, can also give a dash of elegance to the living area along with creating a favorite hangout space for family get-together. Dining room comes with a touch of sophistication and an aesthetic appeal with impressive sleek false ceiling. A cozy breakfast counter rests in between the dining room and modular kitchen. Breakfast Island is a mini peninsula and helps separate the kitchen from the adjacent living space with countertop and stools. Master bedroom is the center of attraction of every home. With a touch of romance and love, we ensure maximum natural light beam and bounce the wall of your bedroom. The wardrobe of the master bedroom is going to be much larger than the closets in almost any other room. The main entry is highlighted with a wooden finish, laminated ceiling and stone textured wall on sides. A curio display unit is placed on the corner of the textured wall. The wall opposite to the door is left plain for a painting. A bookshelf and the TV unit enhances the utility of the living room. The ceiling is highlighted with laminated panels from which decorative lights are suspended. Indirect lighting in ceiling helps to create an elite ambience. Brown and white color theme is followed. One side wall is highlighted with stone finish tiles on which a wall-hung crockery unit is fixed. All the other walls are treated white. In contrast to dark finish table, white chairs are opted. The color theme is further enhanced with rustic dark tiles for flooring. Concealed lights and hidden lights are provided for a better ambience. Laminated panels are used on the ceiling. Vertical fins serve as visual barriers in between living and dining. The open kitchen plan lends a sense of space. White and grey combination is followed. A patterned fabric panels are fixed on the head side wall. Full height wardrobe on one side and study unit with open cupboard on the opposite side. Suspended lights are provided for reading. Head wall is highlighted with patterned wallpaper. A TV unit and a study table features on the opposite wall. The side wall is fully utilized to accommodate a full height wardrobe and a dressing unit. Hence, the head side wall is adorned with laminated panels. design pattern is followed here. The ceiling is decorated with cornice beading and patterned paper. Wooden jali acts as a visual barrier. Walls are highlighted with pilasters and wallpaper. Classic style painting adorns the walls. Pastel shades are used to enhance the classic ambience. Furniture also follows the same theme. A chandelier is hung from a decorative ceiling. Classic style dining table and chairs are also provided. For puja space, an ethnic style is created with wooden jali and textured walls. Classic theme is followed in the bedroom by using the elements including cornice beadings, pilasters and wallpaper. The foyer is not just a welcoming transition into the home. It is imperative that the living room has a friendly atmosphere to ensure the comfort of visitors. The living room is designed in such a way that the first and the most important purpose of the room is fulfilled. It is comfortable and stylish with cozy furniture to lounge with a book from the bookshelf being the personality-packed focal point of the room. With careful planning and a commitment to creativity, the total ambience we have introduced into it goes a long way. We give 3 options for each area: contemporary, classic and decorative, allowing the owner to choose out of his ideas and perspective. Here, the wall is fully panelled with laminated teakwood panels and patterned white panels. A floating box-type curio unit acts as a balancing element. Backlight Mashrabiya pattern ceiling creates a play of light. Living, study, library and dining are merged into a single flowing space. Puja space is also incorporated here. A combination of laminated teakwood panels and a patterned white panels acts as a common design element. Play of light and layers continue in bedrooms too. Creating an atmosphere of mystique, fantasy and no-holds-barred luxury is what this apartment interior design does its best. The style used here transforms an otherwise bland space into an opulent retreat using layers of color and texture to craft a magical effect with the CNC designs in the ceiling area. The living room gives an exotic and extravagant feel and brings about a dramatic change and wraps oneself in luxury. The classic foyer, living room and the bedrooms are enduring and depict restraint, symmetry, sophistication and appeal to antiquity. The serene colors on the wall, upholstery, the imperial dignity of the wallpaper, all these portray well-settled taste preferences of people who prefer cultural values and traditions instead of fleeting fashion.